Yeah, long range. Cold as a horse hot up here in the north. Drunk as a motherfucker, too. Ryan drinking that metal. Pocket. But we're coming up here to a train trestle. Caught this motherfucker on the fly. Got a couple of tags up here. I don't recognize them, but some shit from '07. Sean Nation. Oh, slow motion. I don't know. I'm all done. Some other shit there. Another tag. Behind me there ain't nothing. But yeah, here we go. There's a trestle coming up. Train trestle. Open water, man. Open the ice. Alright. Talk to you next time. Hobo Maniac, over and out.